Another day, another story. Hey, foodies, welcome back to Imagenish. I'm Neela, and today we're embarking on a flavorful journey to explore one of Jamaica's most iconic dishes, curry goat. But hold on tight, because we're not just going to savor the taste. We're diving into the unknown facts that make this dish so special. Now, let's get started. Jamaican curry goat is more than just a delicious dish. It's a cultural icon that represents the vibrant flavors of the Caribbean. Traditionally prepared with goat meat, this dish is a harmonious blend of aromatic spices and tender meat that will transport you straight to the heart of Jamaica. Now, let's uncover some hidden gems about the history of curry goat. Did you know that this dish has roots in Indian cuisine? It was introduced to Jamaica by Indian indentured servants, and over the years, it has evolved into a uniquely Jamaican delicacy. The fusion of Indian spices with local Jamaican ingredients gives curry goat its distinctive flavor. The perfect blend of spices. What sets Jamaican curry goat apart is the exquisite blend of spices used in its preparation. The result? A tantalizing dish that'll have your taste buds dancing. Curry goat is not just a dish, it's a culinary ritual passed down through generations. The slow cooking process is key, allowing the flavors to infuse the meat, creating a mouth-watering masterpiece. Goat meat, a Jamaican delicacy. Goat meat is the star of the show in this Jamaican classic. It's lean, flavorful, and pairs perfectly with the aromatic curry spices. Curry goat isn't just a regular weekday dinner, it's a dish reserved for special occasions and celebrations. From weddings to birthdays, this flavorful masterpiece takes center stage, bringing people together to savor the richness of Jamaican culture. These fiery little peppers not only contribute to the dish's spiciness but also bring a distinct fruity flavor. Jamaicans believe that the spiciness of the Scotch bonnet peppers wards off evil spirits and brings good luck. Did you know that curry goat has a unique connection to a significant event in Jamaican history? During the celebration of Jamaica's independence in 1962, curry goat was chosen as one of the featured dishes at the official state dinner. Curry goat's impact on Jamaican tourism. Many local eateries and street vendors have gained international acclaim for their exceptional curry goat recipes, drawing visitors from around the world to savor this iconic dish. It's a testament to the global appeal of Jamaican cuisine. Curry goat variations. Exploring these variations adds a layer of diversity to the rich tapestry of Jamaican cuisine. Here's a fun fact that might surprise you. Curry goat has made its mark on the world of music. Several reggae and dancehall songs pay homage to this beloved dish, highlighting its cultural significance. It's not uncommon to hear references to curry goat in lyrics, showcasing the deep-rooted connection between Jamaican music and culinary delights. The ritual of marinating overnight. Now, let's delve into a secret step that elevates the flavors of Jamaican curry goat: marinating overnight. Many traditional recipes call for marinating the goat meat in a special blend of spices and seasonings for an extended period. This overnight marination not only tenderizes the meat but also allows the flavors to intensify, creating a more nuanced and deeply satisfying taste. Jamaican curry goat is not just a dish, it's interwoven with local folklore. In some regions, it's believed that consuming curry goat on the night of a full moon brings good fortune and prosperity. This mystical connection adds an extra layer of intrigue to the already enchanting experience of savoring this iconic Jamaican dish. While curry goat steals the spotlight, there's another classic Jamaican dish that often accompanies it: ackee and saltfish. This dynamic duo is a popular side dish, and some families even incorporate ackee and saltfish into their curry goat recipes. The combination of flavors creates a culinary symphony that showcases the diverse and complementary nature of Jamaican cuisine. Believe it or not, there are curry goat festivals dedicated solely to celebrating this delectable dish. These festivals, often held in various Jamaican communities, attract food enthusiasts from far and wide. It's a unique opportunity to taste different interpretations of curry goat, learn about its cultural significance, and immerse yourself in the lively atmosphere of Jamaican festivities. This trendy eatery has become a hotspot for both locals and celebrities seeking an authentic taste of Jamaica. Miss Lily's has played a pivotal role in introducing Jamaican flavors to a global audience. So, there you have it. More intriguing facts about Jamaican curry goat than you might have imagined. This dish isn't just a meal, It's a piece of Jamaican culture with a rich and diverse history. Until next time, keep exploring the world through its flavors. Please like, comment, and subscribe.